Okay, I have an order to sell at the high of the prior bar, around a 50% pullback after these two big bear bars and the doji, thinking that we have to go sideways here or get a second leg down. Just got filled. And had my target $1 lower. A little bit nervous for this one because I increased my size. Alright, I'm going to move my target to the low of this bar now. And I don't think I'll scale in. Alright, just got filled. So $1.60. I guess I made 50 cents instead of $1 on it because I moved my target up. I just thought I was hoping for it to get there on the next bar. This bar up was strong and closed above the prior bar, so once we didn't get there on the next bar, I thought I'm looking for at least a small pullback below here, and so I moved my target up. So I'm not sure it might still get to where my initial target was, but I thought that was safer. So, and I was also very nervous. So it's just the first trade feels like when you increase size, it feels more nerve-wracking because all the trades before it have been so much smaller. So psychologically, it's like if I lose this one trade, it's gonna wipe out 20 losses from my prior trading size. So if everything was 50 cents or 30-cent profit before, losing $10 is like 30 trades worth of gains. So it makes the first few trades a bit more stressful. All right, I went short at this low here. We broke out and pulled back. Normally I would want to wait for the bar to close, but because I was going to sell below here for a swing down to here, I thought I'm getting it a bit later, but I already saw the breakout and pullback, so that's why I decided to do it. But I'll get out above any good bull bar because I don't want a bull bar closing above this low to trigger. So if it does, then I'll exit. All right, this bar has a tail on top. I think I still will exit above it though if it triggers. All right, just got out. I think that's lost about $3.50. I thought that was okay to exit there. The actual entry, I don't know about. I messed that trade up a little bit. I had an order to sell the high of the prior bar after 5 bar bear microchannel. When I sold the high of the prior bar, I went to start recording and I didn't get my buy order in time, and so it had already bounced off where my target would have been and started to rally up. So that was the scalp I was looking for. Now obviously it would have been okay, but because I missed that order, that was the move I was looking for, and as it started to rally, I just moved my target up quickly to take my profit because I didn't know if we'd get 2 bounces down. So after we already got the 1 bounce and started to rally, I didn't want that to turn into a losing trade, so I just took it halfway. And so now back up to $1.02. And just to speak to my second trade of the day here, I would have been stopped out, so I'm happy I got out above the bull bar. I was looking at a lot of these examples, and when I said we'd get down here, a lot of them didn't have this very strong breakout. So here we didn't adequately test the high close. I'm not sure if that's why, but we didn't get a good test up here. So that might decrease the chances that we're going down to this target and just make it a bull flag. So where I sold was during the second leg of the bull flag. Whereas in other examples I have, that's okay, but here we didn't test the high close at all. So maybe that's why, I'm not sure. But regardless, after the bull bar, I thought my probabilities changed, so I was okay to exit. We ended up getting back down to my break-even price, but I'm okay with that exit.